Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first video. I have to start the abstract algebra. So the first discussion is about groups. Now I have to start with binary composition. Let us define binary composition. Let A be a non-empty set. A binary composition on A is a mapping F A cross A to A. Therefore, a binary composition F assigns a definite element of A to each ordered pair of elements of A. That is, if there is an ordered pair where A and B belongs to A, such that this ordered pair goes to another element that also belongs to A. Okay, the mapping F is generally denoted by the symbol this. So for a pair of elements AB in A, the image of this under the binary composition this is denoted as A composed B, and the image of the element this is denoted as this. The symbols like star, plus, dot, this are also used to denote a binary composition. Now let us take some example. Okay, the first example. Okay, the first example, that is on the set Z, let the composition stand for the binary composition addition. Then 2 compose 3 that equal to 5, because here the binary composition is addition. So 2 compose 3 equal to 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. If we consider 4 composed minus 4, that is 0, and so on. Okay, and the second example is, okay, let us take the second example. On the set Z, let this be defined by A composed B that equal to A plus 2B, where AB belongs to Z. So then 2 compose 3 that equal to 8, because 2 plus 2 into 3, 2 plus 2 into 3, that is 8. Okay, a binary composition is said to be defined on a non-empty set A if A composed B belongs to A for all AB belongs to A. In this case, the set A, that is said to be closed under the binary operation or binary composition. Now for example, the set N, that is the set of natural number, is closed under addition. Now for example, the set N, that is the set of natural number, is closed under addition, because if we consider 2 elements belongs to that natural number, then A plus B obviously belongs to the natural number. But when we consider subtraction, then the set N is not closed, because A minus B always does not belongs to the natural number. Because for example, if we consider A as 1 and B as 2, then A minus B, that is 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1, does not belongs to natural number. So the set N is closed under addition, but the set N is not closed under subtraction. Now let us define that the binary composition is commutative and when it is associative. Let this be the binary composition on a set A. Composition is said to be commutative if A composed B equal to B composed A for all AB belongs to A. And composition is said to be associative if A composed B composed C equal to A composed B composed C for all ABC belongs to A. Now let us take some examples. Okay. For the first example, addition on a set R is both commutative and associative, because if we consider AB belongs to R, then for the binary composition addition A plus B that equal to B plus A. This holds always. So commutative, and A plus B plus C that equal to A plus B plus C. So addition on a set R is both commutative and associative, but subtraction on the set R is neither commutative nor associative, because if we take two elements AB belongs to R, then A minus B not equal to B minus A, and so this is not commutative and not associative. Okay. The second example, let M2R be the set of all 2 by 2 real matrices. Let the composition stands for the multiplication of matrices. Then composition is associative but not commutative, because in generally we know that AB not equal to BA when A and B are the matrices. Okay. Next, we start the composition table. Okay, composition table. When A is a non-empty set, a binary composition on the set A can be defined by a table that is called composition table. So if the number of elements A be n, then the table has n rows and n columns. Okay, let us consider A that equal to A1, A2, n. Then AI composed AJ appears on the table in the ith row and jth column. The n square entries of the table are all elements of A, because A is closed under the binary composition. Okay. Now, if the table be symmetric about the principal diagonal, then composition is commutative. So when we say that the table is symmetric, when AI composed AJ that equal to AJ composed AI. Now let us take an example, that the table for the binary composition of addition modulo 3 on the set Z3. So we know that on the set Z3 there are 3 elements, this. So the composition table is this. So this plus this, this plus this, okay. Here the composition is commutative because this holds here, because here also 1 bar, here also 1 bar, here 2 bar, here 2 bar, this is 0 bar, this is 0 bar. So the table is symmetric about the principal diagonal. So we say that the composition is commutative. Thank you.